dual ultrasonic humidifier disc unit for a mushroom tent to DIY. Basically, auto water filling bucket. That fan, both of these float on top of the water. And this right here just auto fills the water whenever. And this just holds the cap. This is nothing. That just holds the cap on there. That way, whenever I have to fill it up, I could just pull this off, put the cap on there, and then pull cap off here, fill it up, put cap back on here, pull cap off, and then put the cap back on here so that it holds the cap so I don't lose the cap. So yeah, these little humidifier things are like $8 on Amazon. The only thing is you gotta find your own power source. They run off, I believe, 4, 5, and a 9 volt. I believe this one's on a 4 volt, and that one's on a 9 volt back there. That's why this one's only spitting out so much, and that one's spitting out a lot more. So I gotta find another 9 volt power source for this one, so that it spits out just as much as that one. So I get the humidity up in here. Right now, both of those running, it sits about in between 60 and 70. Just put these ones in today. I just cut the bags open. Yeah, it's California desert. AJ. Peace.